Hi, first graders. It's time for math. Today we are going to be talking about tens. So let's go ahead and take a look at our lesson for today.
How can you model and name groups of 10?
Here we go.
Oh, hi! Sam buried all his acorns in the sandbox. He forgot how many acorns he buried, and now he wants to find them. I hope we can find the acorns. Click the sandbox to find them.
Okay, so I'm not sure what happened there, but we'll just move on.
Let's solve riddles with 10. I'm thinking of a number that's the same as 110 and 2 ones. What's my number? First, use a quick picture to show the 10.
So our picture
Then
here,
use a quick picture.
our picture, as you can see here, is a stick. This stick represents 10 pieces, 10 of anything. It's 10 right here. So that when we see this, we know that that equals to 10.
To show the 2 ones. 1, 2. Now you have a quick picture that shows the...
So here's our quick picture. We know that this is 10 and the circles only equal 1. So when we go to count, we can say 10, 11, 12. We have 1 10 and 2 ones.
Number I'm thinking of. Look at the digits. 1.
Now remember, the digits are the numbers within our whole number. So our digits is 1 and 2.
110 and 2 ones. So what's my number? Use an equal sign to show that 110 and 2 ones are the same as my number. My number is 12.
So we got 12 by saying 110
and 2 ones is the same as 12. Now I'm thinking of a number that's the same as 110 and 0 ones. How can you show the number? First, show the 10, 110, then show the ones.
So we only have 110 and 0 ones. So we don't need to use anything to show the ones. So we know that this stick equals 10. So right away we know.
There are 0 ones, so don't show any circles. Then use the equal sign to show that 110 is equal to my number. What's my number?
If we just have 110, it equals 10.
110 is the same as 10.
So you could see here, we have 1 in our tens place and 0 in our ones place. We have 110 and 0 ones.
You can group ones to make tens. You can group ones to make more than 110.
So right here, they're all individual. They're all equal to 1. So we want to, instead of sitting here and count every single one, we're going to group them into a group of 10.
Here's how. Each cube represents 1. There are 30 ones. Let's group the cubes and make tens. Click one group of 10 cubes.
So here's a group of 10.
10 ones is the same as one group of 10. Now, let's group the rest of the ones into groups of 10. Click cubes to show another group of 10. Here are 2 groups of 10. Click cubes to show another group of 10.
So we have 1, 2, and this is our third group of 10. 3 groups of 10.
Here are 3 groups of 10. 30 ones is the same as 3 groups of 10. Is there another way to show 3 groups of 10? Let's connect the cubes one by one to make tens. Click to see how.
So now, instead of them be individual, we're going to connect them to make a group, a stick of 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 10 cubes are connected into one 10, but we have 3 groups of 10. So show 3 connected groups of 10 cubes, or 3 tens. Here are 2 tens.
So here's this group, this
And
group,
here are 3
and
tens.
this group.
So 31.
So you notice we have 3 sticks of 10s and nothing left over. No individual cubes left over. So that means that there are 0 ones, but we have 3 groups of 10. So there's 3 10s and 0 ones, which equals 30.
Ones is the same as 3 tens and 0 ones. You can also show 3 tens with a quick picture. Click the cubes to see the quick picture.
So remember, our quick picture was just drawing those quick sticks and adding no ones because we don't have any ones. So our quick picture would look like this.
You can replace the 3 connected groups of 10 with a quick picture showing 3 lines.
So
3 tens. 3 tens equals 30.
we would
That's
say
the same as 31s.
we would say
And
10,
the same as
20,
3 groups
30.
of 10. 30.
Okay. Okay, here we go. Moving on.
Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
Okay, so now you're going to open up your math books to page 355. Let's just look at this. Come on. Okay, so on page 3, I'm going to go to 355. All right, so come on. Okay, so page 355, what you're going to do here first, you're going to come up with your own riddle of, how many 10s, how many 1s. And if you look on page 356, so they want to know, they're showing you all these groups right here. So just like in the practice one, we looked at how there was all the ones. We need to create groups of 10. So if we count here, you could do a group of 10. We want to know how many 10s are in 30. So altogether we have 31. So if we group them, we'll have 3 groups of 10 and none left over, 0 ones. So you would draw a circle around 10 cubes to get groups of 10. So you'd put 3 here and 0 1 because you have 3 groups of 10s and 0 ones. Okay, so then we know that we have 3 10s, which equals 0 1s. So you're going to do the same thing for this. How many groups of 10s and how many 1s? So we have 40, so you're going to have 4 groups of 10s, 4 10s, 0 1s. You have 4 10s, which equals 40, and the number is 4 to 0. Okay? Well, that's all I have for you guys for math today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys soon.